Welcome to another video. In this video we will be going through some of the polling settings. Here I have a MyFair card and an iCode card. You want to open into the Pepper C1 web interface and go into the Status tab. Here I will show you the two types of cards being read and what it should look like. First the MyFair, then the iCode. Now we will go back to the RFID page and disable each card alternatively. First I will disable the iCode tag, then save and restart. Wait for this screen to load, and as you can see we now only have the MyFair ticked. Now I will go back to the Status tab and try both cards again. As expected, the iCode tag doesn't give us any response, but the MyFair still gives us the same output. Now we will go back and swap them round. Now the MyFair should not give us a response. Make sure to save and restart. Now I will go back to the Status tab and try this setup. As you can see, the MyFair gives no response and the iCode is working again. Now I will show you our fastest polling speed. Go back to the RFID page and tick both tags again and set the polling rate to 0 and save and restart. Now I will go back to the Status tab and I will move a card very quickly across the tag to see if it is able to read the card. As you can see, it is still able to read this.